In this video, we will review the Pool product, which is accessible through the My Freelancers option menu. For this demo, we are connected with the test user demo Steen, the head of AI of a company named Fide Partners. In this example, Fide Partners has currently 5 active freelancers in their pool. In the second part of the screen, the section named Find Freelancers, you can locate all the freelancers you have a relationship with. Expert members of your pool appear flagged as such in the list. You can use the Company Pool button to only display your pool experts. You may also need to access past engagements, that is, freelance experts you have hired in the past. On top of that, you can use the My List drop-down button. It will give you access to subsets of freelancers that you have saved previously. The first option is always present. It contains the freelancers you have either invited to apply in your selection processes, or freelancers you have been requiring an interview with, etc. In this example, the second option, Tableau Asia, may have been used by the user to save some profiles to prepare an RFP, for instance. In this example, we are managing only 18 results. 18 experts, but some companies have pools of hundreds or thousands of freelancers. You need an advanced search to be able to locate the talent you need. You may include or exclude different conditions. There are 4 types to filter your own sets of experts. The first one, any text, allows you to set up a filter on any skill, any technology, any name, whatever expression, whatever text you think could help filter your subset. So in this case, I am looking for experts knowing about machine learning. I find 9 results in the set. I can continue and add another condition. Say, okay, I want experts that know about machine learning, but I want them to be located in Germany, for instance. I include the condition and I relaunch the search. Now I have 4 results. And I could keep going. So, for instance, I could add a new text condition. I will look for people that know about Tableau or Power BI that would be an alternative product. So now I'm getting this 3 results. Okay, so that's good. I've been able to locate 3 results out of the 18 of my subset. But there are many more experts out there knowing about machine learning Tableau or Power BI and working from Germany. That is exactly what we have on the right-hand side option. Find more experts in Outvise. We have a huge network, more than 33,000 experts. And if I extend this search just by clicking on this button and maintaining the filters, I am finding 25 results. I could decide to remove some conditions. In the Outvise network, I am finding 72 results for machine learning and Germany. As pool user, you may organize the talent and save as many subsets of experts as you want. Once I'm happy with the results of my search, I also have the possibility to save this specific set of results to get back to it easily. You remember My List? Here at the bottom of the screen, we have the possibility to save and tag the experts, in this case, the 72 results, to add them to an existing list, or we can create a new one, Machine Learning Germany. So that's it, saved. I can clear the filters now. Going back to the My List drop-down button, we will be able to get the ML Germany subset, the 72 results we have just saved. From now, they are available, and you can get back to this list at any time. You can, of course, I'm showing you right now, fine-tune and filter this subset again, more deeply. In this case, I have included the Telefonica text condition, so I know somehow that these experts, these 3 experts, are related to Telefonica. They may have been working with them, making a project with them, whatever. So, what can I do with an expert? If I click on any of the profiles, I could of course review the skills they own in detail by family, the languages they're mastering, and education highlights. Also, the regional experience, in this case Europe, the main roles and functions the expert has assumed. And I can download their CV. Indeed, being a Pool Premium account user, you can download any CV in the network with certain monthly limitation. And to show you the Invite to Apply function, I will go back to the list and work with another expert. So in this case, we'll invite Christian. I open his profile, and after choosing the Invite to Apply option in the Action button, I decide to invite him in one of my existing requests. Let's select Machine Learning Engineer with NLP. And that's it. The invitation is sent immediately. I'll check the request, and here, in the third position, I see Christian in the list. He has just been invited to apply. So that's another possibility for you. It is very convenient. You can feed your selection processes with experts you believe could fit perfectly. You do not need to set up a company pool to get all the cool features, but your company may be very interested to set up one. A company pool offers a centralized online repository with up-to-date info about the freelancers you work with, including availability, skills, projects, etc., plus a centric point to interact with them. On top of that, setting up a pool is very simple and automated. After the initial setup has been approved, together with a staff member of Outvise, any user will be able to import their own experts in their pool by sending an individual invitation or proceeding to massive import.